Greetings, nobles. Thamrius with the Security Knights here. Have you ever experienced the soul-crushing disappointment of swinging by a McDonald's drive-thru for a milkshake, only to be denied? It's awful. And whatever the reason, the system's down for the night, broken. Or maybe that pimply-faced kid behind the counter really just wants to be a jerk tonight. It is a bummer being denied a service that you expect. Now imagine that on a grander scale. Imagine you are trying to access your server or your network, and you can't because a hacker is overwhelming it with traffic. And not the good kind of traffic either. You have just become a victim of a denial of service attack.
A what?
A DDoS, or distributed denial of service attack, involves a whole bunch of computers sending network traffic to access the same resource, such as a website, at the same time. One of the most recent examples of this happening is when a new graphics card hits the market. Such a large amount of people jump online attempting to make a purchase at the same time that the site is quickly overwhelmed. At this point, no one is able to properly submit their order. So thinking back to the McDonald's shake machine, it would be like everyone going to McDonald's, ordering a shake at the exact same time, and just shorting out the machine. Now nobody gets a milkshake. Let's say you're enjoying a game of Fortnite or League of Legends, or really any internet-reliant multiplayer game. If you can somehow send traffic either to the server or your opponent, you can give yourself a huge advantage. In some of these larger tournaments, like the Fortnite Championship Series, there are prize pools as big as $20 million. So there really is a lot at stake here. Earlier I said anyone can do this. How, you ask? Well, first and foremost, never forget intent matters. So performing a DDoS on purpose is illegal.
It's illegal.
Now that we got that don't try this at home disclaimer out of the way, let's get back to how these DDoS attacks can be created. And the answer is very simple. Social media. If, say, a popular TikTok influencer has it out for a rival creator, all they have to do is to tell their followers to visit the rival's website or advertising sponsor at a specific date and time. And if enough followers do it, the sudden spike in traffic will bring the site down. Seeing how loyal followers of influencers are, these creators have a lot of power. So it is up to them to use that power wisely.
With great power comes great responsibility. Remember that, Pete.
Okay, nobles, that's our show for today. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, and subscribe so that our army of security warriors continues to grow. Until next time, happy hacking.